Assalamualaikum and good day. So today we'll continue our tutorial about drafting. Let's log into our eLearn at USM. Key in your username and your password. Click sign in. Go to your ESA 112 subject. Go to week number 6. Click this folder. Go to number 6, drafting design workshop 1. Download it to your PC. Open. So this is the first page for the drafting workbench. This is the basic rules of working drawings. You can go through. Let's go to page number 5. We will do the part drawing first. First, select the part design workbench. Open the conrod.cat part. Once your conrod.cat part is on the screen, select the very top branch label conrod inflection tree. Make sure it is highlighted. Let's open Katia V5. Open now our file. That is conrod, but first let's open part design. Always click these two, enable hybrid design and create a geometrical set. Click OK. Let file open. Click go to our conrod file that can be downloaded from the e-learning. Click open. So this is our conrod. Step number 3. Select the drafting workbench. Using one of the methods described in the previous lesson, select the drafting workbench. So we will select the drafting workbench. First we need to highlight this and then go to start, mechanical design, go to drafting workbench. Let's refer to our documents. We select this, layout, select the modify button, select ISO and A for ISO with the landscape style. Okay, so click OK. So we'll come back to our PDF documents. So actually we need to select A to ISO and landscape. So we'll turn back to modify. So we now A to ISO. Okay, and click OK. So this is the generated automatically by Katia, as we have highlighted the conrod just now. Okay, so we can see it is different from as shown here, but it's still okay. We can still delete drawing that we don't need, okay, as it is repetitive. Let's return to our documents. So we can see new sheet is created on the top left of the screens. So new sheet also created under the drawing 4. We also need to look at this icon. So this is a drafting workbench. It's also provided with toolbars. It can be used to draw or to create information about the part drawing that we have. So at first we need to delete files that we don't need. So as for this example, we'll delete this, or we can just right click and go to delete and delete this. So and delete this because it is similar to this one. So if we hover our mouse to this red box, we can click and drag. So it is shown that our drawing is same like this. Let's get into our document. Okay, so let's create a new sheet. The Adaptive Workbench, select the new sheet tool. It will create a new sheet every time you click on the tool. So let's find where is our tools. So it is on the right corner here. So we have new sheet that is located. So this is sheet 1 and this is sheet 2. And this both of the sheet are under the drawing history 3. We are now can create a new view. So this is the other method to create views into the drafting. Select the view creation wizard tools, that is from the views toolbar. Okay, then select the views and select next. And select next. Then we can click this asymmetric view and place the view here. When done, select finish. Okay, and click finish. Then before we then prompt you to select a reference plane on the 3D geometry. The plane or surface you are being prompted for is referring to the part in the part design workbench. For the distance, select the surface shown in the figure below. So we need to select this surface. So the tips is shown at the bottom left. Select a reference plane on the 3D geometry. That means that we need to go to our 3D geometry window. So we don't click any surface right for now. Just hover your mouse. So we hover our mouse in this flat surface. It will show the oriented preview on the top, on the bottom right corner. Click here and it will bring the views. If we hover our mouse, it will show the drawings. Then after you select the surface, foreground rectangular frame will appear in the Adaptive Workbench screen. If you hover your mouse over the view, you will notice that the part appears in the view the mouse is over. You should also notice a blue compass in the upper right hand corner. The 4 arrows pointing 90 degrees. Part will rotate the part 90 degrees in the direction you select. The half circle arrows will not change the part orientation view relationship, but will rotate the part in the view every 15 degrees. So we can see that this is the compass. So we can click and it will show or change the views. Okay, so this is the left button, this is the right button, this is the down button, up button. It will maintain the isometric. On this one, you can change it so that it can be rotate. Return to our document. So we need it to be like this. Okay, so this one, okay, it's correct. Click anywhere to lock. Then rearrange. The position is locked with the reference view. So now we want to set the reference view to be independent. Right click on the blue box for the isometric view. Set position independent of reference view to make it free from the reference view. So you can click this blue box, right click, go to view positioning, can set position independently of reference view. So it is now not related to any views, so it can be moved. So I will move this to the right corner and move this to the top and move this to the bottom. Go to return to our document. Next is inserting title box. First, go to edit sheet background, edit sheet background, go to edit sheet background. So in sheet background we have another set of tools. So we'll click this icon and insert data block like this. So you can click this icon, that is frame and title block, and we'll select drawing title block sample 2. Okay, select drawing title block sample 2 here. Highlight creation to create the data block and then click apply, then click OK. Clear and apply. Okay, so click OK. So if we zoom into our data block, it is now created. So we can insert text to insert drawing data and click OK after finish. We set this for forward engine and conrod. Using text, you can find this T icon on the right. Click here and click anywhere and key in the information as required. Click OK. You can move this, but if you want to move it, just click shift and move your mouse. Hold and move your mouse. Okay, then need to drawing number with conrod, so it is now set here as a conrod. Then you can put your name. Let's say we double click this. Click OK, and then check by, scroll and set the date. Double click. You also can copy paste. Okay, make sure you set your sheet here right. We'll continue to next step.